Looking for a cleaning solution that's powerful, versatile, and environmentally friendly? Meet the new 2024 BISSELL Steam Shot OmniReach. Handheld steam cleaner. This compact cleaning device is designed to tackle stubborn messes and sanitize surfaces with the natural power of steam. Plus, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping save pets in need. Let's explore why this handheld steamer is the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. The Steam Shot OmniReach is BISSELL's latest and improved handheld steamer, packed with 1,000 watts of steam power. It provides high-pressure, high-temperature cleaning that's effective and safe for homes with kids and pets. The on-demand steam trigger gives you complete control, letting you release just the right amount of steam for the task at hand. Whether it's sticky grime, tough stains, or deep-set dirt, this device handles it all with ease. And since it uses only water, you get chemical-free cleaning that's gentle on your home and the planet. One of the standout features of this model is its versatility. It includes 10 multi-surface cleaning tools, such as a fabric steamer, window cleaner, extension hose, and accessory nozzle. Need to scrub a tricky corner or freshen up grout? The angle concentrator and grout cleaning tool make those tasks simple. Plus, the 3 color-coded bristle brushes help you tackle different surfaces without cross-contamination. From fabrics to glass, this steamer has you covered. The BISSELL Steam Shot OmniReach handheld steam cleaner doesn't just clean, it makes cleaning purposeful and sustainable. With its robust performance and thoughtful design, it's a great investment for a cleaner home and a better world. What's your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.